Assalamu alaikum. I am Faisal bin Nasir. I am a student of Daffodil International University, Department of CSC. I live in Shawar and I complete my SSC from Shawar Asset School since 2022, and I complete my SSC from Dhaka Milestone College since 2022. Now I am studying in Daffodil International University. That is my favorite subject in CSC. CSC is my favorite subject because I have a very much case about computer and technology. For that, I got this subject, and my campus and my university give me the opportunity to explore my curiosity in the technology. That's why I am in Daffodil International University. I have some skill. I am completed my C courses. That's why I am expert in C and C++. I also expert in SQL, and I have a little expert in Java also. I have some other skill, that's marketing, SEO marketing, and the freelancing. I also take my SEO marketing course from Digital IT. I run a business that's name is Shidar Electronics. Basically, we sell electronics product like TV, AC, fridge. In this, basically it's a e-commerce business. It's fully operated by me and my team. His business I run since 2022. We hope we get had a success in my business in future. This is a lab in my university. We search about many AI in this lab. I have been many days in the AI and technology. My university, Daffodil International University, give me the opportunity to research on AI. This is our AI-based lab. You see that there is many PC and student opportunity for researching AI. For that, we get AI technology in our research. For we get the better education system for future. Because you know that AI is the future. To run in future and survive in future, our university provide the training and the lab system that we get and proper educate by AI system. Basically, this is my campus where we are studying, playing, and some other activities also. Now I am in third year, and we take our future plans. We hope we all the students of Daffodil International University will be in a great in future. And in my future plan, I hope to establish my business in a top march in Bangladesh and worldwide. And we get a AI system management in my business. This is basically my future plan, and we hope that my university and my teachers are help me well in my future planning. Thank you for watching my video.